Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl OmotolaTV. If this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what I typically eat in a day. I normally don't eat 3 times a day just because I have like a really small stomach. But I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat on an ideal, like busy, like I'm really hungry type day. These are the foods that I would eat. So I will be showing you guys breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I have all the produce washed and my hands are washed also. And so without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed what I typically eat in a day. Sometimes I'll only eat 2 meals like I stated earlier, and not 3, but that's typically what I would eat in a day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you beautiful OT gang on my next video. Bye guys.